What's up guys, it's TF Test channel. Today I'm hands on the Nubia Red Magic 3. This phone is looking so nice, 6.65 inches full HD plus screen resolution display, and this phone running on the Android 9. It's also include the new icons, it's looking more interesting. Yeah, I really like the new icon setup. Let's look the phone display. The display is not the water drop notch and notch because it's a normal display. I really like the normal display. Let's look the phone backside. It's only one camera here. It's a main camera. It's a 48 megapixel Sony IMX 816 camera. I really like the Sony camera. More inside phone backside. I really like main. This is a V shape because it's perfectly fitting your hand, and the back fingerprint scanner and the Nubia logo, and the center part is the glowing LED lights here. This light working on you play games, and it's really night effects is perfectly fine. Bottom side type C port here, on the top side 3.5mm headphone jack here. I really like the headphone jacks. On phone right side is the L1 R1 button and the air out buttons here. This phone main feature, what the main feature? What do you think, guys? This phone is normally liquid cooling, but this time is increasing to air cooling system. Yes, guys, it's a air in port, and otherwise it's the right side. It's a air out port. Inside one mini jet fan here. It's spread out to continuously playing game and is cooling the phone because it's smoother gaming experience. Yeah, the two type of the cooling system here. Okay guys, what did you think, guys? This phone is looking good or not? I really like this phone. This phone is Snapdragon 855 chipset processor, and starting RAM it's 8 GB RAM and 12 GB RAM available, and storage are also 128 GB 2 free zip and 528 GB storage is available. Okay guys, this phone sales start on the next month China, and worldwide this phone start on also next month meet. Okay guys, what's your opinion? Your opinion comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Coming soon I am upload this Nubia Red Magic 3 unboxing and camera review everything. Don't forget to subscribe.